I want to show you something that I think is one of the most underrated AI features available right now. Not a new tool, not another app to download and forget about. This brings your full AI agent directly into Telegram, Slack, or Discord, the apps you are already in every single day. It is called RunClaw. It is built into a platform called Runnable. And in this video, I am going to show you exactly what Runnable is, why it matters, and then how RunClaw works from setup to real output. Let me show you everything. So this is Runnable, one AI agent that builds everything for you. Websites with payments, databases, and custom domains. Professional presentations exportable to PDF or PowerPoint. Videos generated from text or images. Carousels for Instagram and LinkedIn. Research reports with citations and structured analysis. Audio, voice cloning and transcription. Spreadsheets with formulas already built in. Even full mobile apps you can preview and deploy to the App Store. What makes it different from everything else out there is the way it works. You describe what you want in plain language. The agent asks you a few smart questions before it touches anything. You watch it build in real time. You refine it by talking to it naturally. Then you export or go live. There is also memory built in. You tell it your brand colors, your tone, your preferences once, and it remembers them across every single future conversation. One setup, consistent output every time. Over 1 million people are already using this. And now I want to show you the feature inside Runnable that completely changed my daily workflow. This is RunClaw. The concept is simple, but the impact is real. RunClaw takes the full Runnable agent, everything I just showed you, and puts it directly inside the messaging apps you already use. Telegram, Slack, and Discord. No dashboard to open, no new tab to switch to. You just message it wherever you already are, and it gets things done from there. Same agent, same credits, same memory, same capabilities, just in a different place. Setup takes about 30 seconds. I am going to walk you through it right now. Click your profile icon in the bottom left corner and go to Settings. Then click the RunClaw tab. You will see 3 platforms listed: Telegram, Slack, and Discord, each with a connect button. I am going to connect Telegram. You click Connect on the Telegram card, and it opens a deep link to the Runnable bot. Scan the QR code or tap the link on your phone. You get redirected to the bot in Telegram, and you tap Start. That sends a / command that links your Telegram account to your Runnable account. And that is it. Connection confirmed. The whole thing took under 60 seconds. So now I am inside Telegram, and the Runnable agent is right here. Let me show you what this actually looks like in practice. Before it builds anything, watch what happens. It asks me a few clarifying questions first. Audience, tone, purpose. It wants to understand what I actually need before it starts. That is deliberate. It is why the output matches what you meant rather than what you typed. And now it builds. Right here inside Telegram. I have not opened a browser. I have not switched tabs. I have not lost my train of thought. Here is the finished presentation. And because it built something visual, it sends me a link to open and edit it in the full Runnable web app with one tap. Everything synced, nothing lost, same chat, new request. It already has my context and preferences from memory. I do not have to explain anything again from scratch. There are also a few useful / commands built in. Type /new chat to start a fresh conversation. Type /model tier to switch between Lite, Pro, and Max. Type /open chat to sync your current Telegram session with the full Runnable web app if you want to keep working there. And this runs on Runnable's always-on cloud, so you can delegate tasks that need time, set them up in the morning, and the output is ready when you need it. No babysitting required. What I want you to take away from this is not just the feature itself. It is what it represents. The best AI tool is not always the most powerful one. It is the one you actually use consistently, and you use the tools that fit into how you already work without adding friction. RunClaw does not ask you to change your habits. It meets you exactly where you already are. The link to try Runnable is in the description below. Getting RunClaw connected to Telegram takes about 30 seconds, and you will understand immediately why this is one of my favorite things in the platform. This is the first video in my Runnable series. Next up, I'm going into RunMeet, which automatically turns your calls and meetings into summaries, decisions, and action items the moment they end.